My name is Muskan. My class is BSc second semester, subject botany. I am from Government Kangla Manji College, Dondi. Today, I am going to explain an important topic in botany, which is the structure and importance of heterocyst. Introduction to heterocyst. A heterocyst is a special type of cell found in certain filamentous cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae. These organisms are photosynthetic and are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Examples of cyanobacteria that contain heterocyst include Anabaena nostoc. Heterocysts are highly specialized cells that play a crucial role in nitrogen fixation. Presence of heterocyst. Heterocysts are present in filamentous cyanobacteria. Not all cyanobacteria have heterocyst. Only specific genera like Anabaena nostoc and a few others attain them. They are formed when the organism faces nitrogen deficiency in the environment. This means when there is not enough usable of nitrogen, some vegetative cells differentiate into heterocyst. Position of heterocyst. Heterocysts are found in intercalary in filament. This means they are present in between normal vegetative cells. Sometimes they can also be found at the terminal ends of filaments, but most commonly they are located at regular intervals within the filament. Their distribution helps in efficient nitrogen supply to nearby cells. Structure of heterocyst. Now let us discuss the structure in detail. First, cell shape. Heterocysts are usually larger and rounder than vegetative cells. Second, thick cell wall. They have a thick, multi-layered cell wall. This wall prevents oxygen from entering the cell because nitrogen fixation requires an anaerobic oxygen-free environment. Third, lack of photosystem II. Heterocysts lack of photosystem II, which means they do not produce oxygen during photosynthesis. This is important because oxygen can inhibit nitrogenase enzyme. Fourth, presence of nitrogenase enzyme. This enzyme is responsible for converting atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, which can be used by the organism. Fifth, polar nucleoles. At the both ends of heterocyst, there are a structure called polar nodules which help in the exchange of nutrients between heterocyst and vegetative cells. Sixth, reduced pigments. Heterocysts have less chlorophyll and appear lighter in color compared to vegetative cells. Now, we learn function and importance of heterocyst. Heterocysts are extremely important due to the following reasons. First, nitrogen fixation. Their main function is to fix atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia using the enzyme nitronase. Second, providing nutrients. The fixed nitrogen is transferred to neighboring vegetative cells, helping in their growth. Third, survival in nitrogen deficient conditions. Heterocysts allow cyanobacteria to survive even when nitrogen is not available in the environment. Fourth, ecological importance. They play a major role in maintaining the nitrogen cycle in ecosystem, especially in aquatic animal environment and soil. Fifth, agricultural importance. Cyanobacteria with heterocysts are used as biofertilizers, especially in paddy fields, improving soil fertility naturally. Relationship between vegetative cells and heterocyst. There is a mutual relationship. First, vegetative cells provide carbohydrates, which means food, to heterocyst. Second, heterocysts provide fixed nitrogen to vegetative cells. This exchange is essential for the survival of the organisms. Now, conclusion. In conclusion, heterocysts are specialized nitrogen fixation cells found in some cyanobacteria. They have a unique structure adapted for nitrogen fixation, including a thick wall and absence of oxygen producing mechanisms. Their role is not only important for the organisms itself, but also for agriculture and the environment.